Hello everyone, welcome to Splendid Ideas with Maria. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a stunning centerpiece that could be the perfect decor for your home. The centerpiece is great to decorate for spring or Valentine's Day or whatever you like. To give it your own special touch, just add your favorite flowers. If you like what you see, click the like button and share it with your friends. And if you're new, subscribe and click the notification bell so you get notified every time I upload a video. Now let's get creating. For this centerpiece, you're going to need 3 glass cylinder vases, 3 glass candlestick holders, self-adhesive Rio glass mini square mirror mosaic tiles, a floral foam, hot glue gun and glue sticks, and a pair of scissors. I'm going to start by decorating this vase with the mirror mosaic tiles. These are self-adhesive, so I'm not going to add any glue, but feel free to use glue if you want to. Now I'm going to decorate my other 2 vases with 5 rows of my mirror mosaic tiles. I'm just going to glue this to the bottom portion of my vase. Okay, so I ended up with a gap here. To fix that, I'm going to glue there a 3 rows wide, 8 rows tall mirror tiles, and this is also going to help me create my design, and I'll show you what it looks like. Then I'm going to count every 3 or 4 mirror tiles on my vase, and I'm going to glue a 9 mirror square on those spots, and then I will show you what it looks like. Next, I'm going to glue 2 single square tiles in the empty spaces in between. I'm going to turn them so they look like diamonds, and I'm going to glue them that way. Now I'm going to glue my candlestick holder to my vase. For this project, I'm using my hot glue gun, but you should use a strong glue like the E6000. Now I'm going to take this floral foam to create my floral arrangement. I love the mirror tiles. They make this vase look so pretty. I was going to make one candle holder taller than the other one, but I changed my mind. I decided to make them all the same size by gluing one candlestick holder per vase. Also, for the vases that I'm going to be using as candle holders, you may want to use a stronger glue to glue the mirror tiles, because when you put a candle in there, it's going to get really hot and I don't know if it's going to come off. So use a strong glue for those too. Here is the finished product. This centerpiece is easy to make, but it looks so gorgeous. Alright my friends, this is all for now. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, please click the like button and share it with your friends. That will really help this channel out. And if you are new, subscribe and click the notification bell so you get notified every time I upload a video. Have a blessed day.